6 voltage DC relay. Red, cathode to coil pin. Then anode, 2 resistor, 1K resistor. Anode then go to normal cross pin. Then solder the push button on your relay. Solder it. Then add first coil on your relay like this. So then solder another wire coil. So then add power supply with 6 voltage. Then this positive pin. The negative pin to push button. Then power supply, positive 2. Then negative to negative. Then test our circuit. As you see, the indicator is lighting. Then this is like output. Then press the push button and the indicator is turned off. Then when the circuit is being processed, the light is being light on. Thank you. This is our circuit for today, and never forget to do subscribe to get more videos. Our videos is very helpful. Please follow it on our YouTube channel, CS Technics. Thank you.